How to start a vending machine business in under 10 minutes. Firstly, why start a vending business? Here are a few of the reasons I think this is a great business to start. Flexible hours. Work around your family commitments of 9-to-5 job. Profitable. There are great margins on products. Passive income. The machine does all the work. Scalable. Just add more machines as you can afford to. Cash business. No chasing payments or debts. So, what do you need to know to get going in your own vending business? The boring stuff first. Yes, you have to do it. Register a business name and consider your business structure. Example, LLC or sole trader. Ensure you have all licenses or permits for the area you are operating. These will differ by state or country. Insurance. Public liability at a minimum, in case your machine damages someone or something. You can also get insurance for the machine itself, but this might be a bit expensive if you were just starting out. Website, email, and business cards. Not necessary, but helps you look professional. Right, now on to the more interesting part of starting your own vending machine business. Location, location, location. A lot of people think you go out there and buy a machine first, then try to find somewhere to put it. Wrong. The smart play is to find the location first, then find the type of machine best suited to fit their needs. If you buy the machine first, you have to store it somewhere whilst you try to find a location. This can cost money in the way of storage fees. Then you might find a location only to realize the machine doesn't physically fit in the spot they have. If the location has lots of customers, you don't want a machine that has limited offerings. So it's important to buy the right machine to suit the site. What are you looking for in a location? What are the opening hours? Is it easy to get in to fill and service the machine around your 9-to-5 job? The best sites are 24/7. How many staff or customers walk past the machine every day? I recommend at least 30. Any less than that and your income will be inconsistent. Where is the machine located on site? Is it in a prominent area where everyone can see it, or is it tucked out of the way? What type of demographic are your potential customers? Are they tradesmen and construction workers, or are they white-collar office workers? Are they health conscious or looking for a sweet fix? The demographic will influence what type of products you can stock and how much you can charge for them. Does the site want a cut? Sometimes the best locations want a slice of the pie, which means paying either a site fee or commission. To be fair, we are using their power and their space, so it seems only right to give them something. Once you have a location ready to go, it's time to purchase the vending machine. What kind of machine do you need? Drink? Snack? Combo? Do you buy brand new or second-hand? Depending on your budget, you can get an older machine, say around 10 years old, for less than $1,000. A second-hand refurbished machine might set you back $2,500, and a top-of-the-line brand new machine can be upwards of $5,000. The new machines come with all the bells and whistles, a warranty for peace of mind, and if you can afford this kind of outlay, I'd recommend it. However, the best bang for buck is probably a mid-range refurbished machine around the 5-year-old mark. Well-manufactured machines can last upwards of 20 years if they are serviced well. Lastly, what kind of payment options is your machine fitted with? Hint, credit card sales are becoming more and more common. Smartphones and watches will only further reduce the need to carry cash. You definitely want a credit card reader on your machines. The other benefit with credit card readers is they offer back-to-base reporting on all sales, so you can remotely monitor how much stock you have left in the machine. This makes refilling a breeze as there is no need to double handle your stock. Just take in exactly what you need to fill it. Over time, you can see what items are selling fastest, so you can double them up, and the products that aren't selling, you can change them out. Transporting the machine. This is harder than people think. Vending machines are heavy, upwards of 200 kilograms or 400 pounds. You will need some tools and equipment to safely move your machine. These include dolly, pallet jack, truck, trailer, preferably with a hydraulic tailgate, a second person with a decent set of muscles. There are companies who specialize in moving machines and charge roughly $100 for a move depending on the distance. These are often the best bet when starting out, as you don't want to spend all of your startup capital on tools. Restocking. Right, so we have a business name, insurance, permits, a website, a location, and a vending machine which has been transported on site. Now, where do we get the stock from? Depending on where you live, there will be numerous options for sourcing stock. The key is to buy in bulk to maximize your margins. Places like Costco are a good start, but there are plenty of specialist distributors and even local supermarkets who offer great prices on bulk snacks and drinks. Some things to consider when buying in bulk. Storage. A home garage or spare room is normally fine when starting out. Expiration dates. Don't overorder. As tempting as it can be to buy 300 bags of chips, they will eventually go bad. So only order as many as you think you can sell. Temperature. If you live in a hot place like me, you will want to keep things like chocolate in a cool environment. An old refrigerator in the garage works well during the summer months. Buy a couple of heavy-duty storage boxes and a small trolley. This will make moving the stock between your storage area and the machines a breeze and will help avoid too much heavy lifting. Once your machine is full of stock and ready to go, sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in. If you have your remote monitoring system connected, you can watch the sales anytime, anywhere on your smartphone. When you see the machine getting low, take some stock out of storage, fill it up, collect the money, and repeat. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe for more videos. Comment questions down below on what else you want to know about starting your own vending business.